So you guys cover all the costs, the contractors providing the labor.
So here we cover the purchase. So we use hard money. I have a hard money line that we use to buy. So we cover the 10% plus the closing, right?
Okay.
And then we use Gator funding for that. So somebody will lend us, let's call it 20 grand.
Yep.
We take down the property and then the joint venture partner, the contractor essentially provides material and labor up front, finishes the project, they get their money back upon closing, then we split the profit, whatever remainder profit there is.
Like a second lender or something to handle the expenses after the purchase is done. I got
It,
you.
and it keeps them honest with material, it keeps them honest with labor, right? It keeps them honest as well. It's kind of like a safety net for us, right? We know they're not going to go past budget and past the time, right? Because they're also incentivized to actually get get this project done in time and under budget to be able to profit on the back end because we do come up with an initial rehab cost up front.
Yeah. So they're incentivized because they're getting the same amount of money you are.
Exactly.
Yeah.